Instead of writing first row, second row, third row, if you put it in the form of a column, you will get straight away the adjoint. Otherwise, put in a first row, second row, third row for cofactor matrix and transpose, you will get the adjoint. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. All the truth values in the last column are F, 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 F. Therefore, this is a contradiction. So, if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0 is less than or equal to 20, which is true. Therefore, the feasible region is towards the origin. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of Basic Mathematics Question Paper Revision. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. In my previous class, we have discussed regarding Part A, Part B and Part C. Today in this session, I am going to discuss regarding Part D. So, in Part D, answer any 5 questions. Each question carries 5 marks. 5 5s are 25. So, you are going to answer 5 questions from this Part D. Each question carries 5 marks. Okay. So, in Part D, you will have 9 questions. Out of these 9, you are going to answer for 5. So, 5 out of 9 questions. So, 4 choice questions will be there. Each question carries 5 marks. 5 5s are 25. So, this is very important for Part D. Now, let us move on to the first problem. Answer any 5 of the following. Each carries 5 marks. The first problem is solve the linear equation using matrix method. So, this is matrix method, sure question, compulsory question. What is given? 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. 2x minus 3y minus z is equal to minus 3. X plus 2y plus z is equal to 4. So, check whether it is in order or not. X, y, z and constant. X, y, z constant, x, y, z constant, x, y, z constant. Now, write down the solution. Here, A is equal to, the matrix A is nothing but coefficient of x, y and z. Coefficient of x is 3, y is 1, z is 2. Similarly, for the second equation, coefficient of x is 2, y is minus 3, z is minus 1. And the coefficient of x for the third equation is 1, y is 2 and z is equal to 1. And similarly, find out the value of b. B is nothing but the constant values. What are the constants here? 3, minus 3 and 4. 3, minus 3 and 4. And x is equal to, x is nothing but x, y and z. This is to be determined. So, find out the values of a, b and x. Now, what is the solution? The solution is x is equal to a inverse into b. This is the solution. Now, what is a inverse? Here a inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of a into adjoint of a. So, these are the formulas which we are going to use to solve this problem. So, x is equal to a inverse b. What is a inverse? A inverse is 1 over determinant of a into adjoint of a. Now, just find out the determinant of a first. Now, just write down the determinant. So, determinant of a is equal to determinant 3 to 1, 3, 2, 1, 1 minus 3, 2, 1 minus 3, 2, again 2 minus 1, 1, 2 minus 1, 1. This is the value of determinant. Now, find out the value of this determinant. Now, how to expand? Expand with respect to first of plus, minus and plus. This is equal to 3 into 1 3s are 3, minus into minus plus, 2 1s are 2, minus 1 into this row and column is deleted, 2 1s are 2, minus into minus plus 1, plus 2 into this row column is gone, 2 2s are 4, minus into minus plus, 1 3s are 3. So, 3 into minus 1, minus 1 into 3, plus 2 into 4 plus 3 is 7. So, minus 3, 7 2s are 14. So, this is 14 minus 6. So, what is this equal to? 14 minus 6 is nothing but 8. So, 8, this is equal to 8. So, therefore, determinant of A is equal to 8, not equal to 0. Therefore, A inverse exists. Now, just find out the cofactors now. So, to find the cofactors, write down the signs for this. This is plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus and plus. Diagonals are positive. Plus, minus, alternative positive, negative will get. So, diagonals are positive. Just go on finding the cofactors. Cofactor of first element 3 is equal to, same as usual, delete the row and column containing 3. 1 3s are 3, minus 3, minus into minus plus 2, that's equal to minus 1. Similarly, cofactor, CF means cofactor of second element, 1 is equal to, it is minus, this row and column is gone, 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, minus into minus plus 1, that's equal to minus 3. And similarly, cofactor of 2, third element, 2 is equal to, this row and column is gone, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3, that's equal to 7. So for the first row, the cofactors are minus 1, minus 3 and 7. Let me write here. Therefore, I will write the adjoint straight away. Adjoint of A is equal to, just write down, instead of writing the first row, let us represent this in a column. Minus 1, minus 3 and 7. Minus 1, minus 3 and 7. Now, so move on to the cofactors for the second row. Just find out the cofactors for second row. Cofactor of 2. So what is the sign? It is negative, minus, this row column is gone, 1 ones are 1, minus 2 2s are 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. Minus of minus is plus 3. Similarly, cofactor of minus 3. Minus 3, that's equal to, what is the sign? It is positive. This row and column is gone. 1 3s are 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2, that's equal to 1. And cofactor of minus 1. Minus 1 is equal to, the sign is minus. So just delete this row and column containing minus 1. This is gone. 3 2s are 6 minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5. Minus out, this is minus 5. So I'll write the cofactors here. So the cofactors for second row, put it in the form of a column, you will get the adjoint. So 3, 1 and 5. 3, 1 and minus 5. 3, 1, 3, 1 and minus 5 is the cofactor for the second row. Just to write the adjoint, put it in the column, second column. Now similarly, find out the cofactor for the third row. Find out the cofactor for all the elements in third row. So cofactor of 1, 2 and 1. 1 for cofactor of 1. So 1 ones are 1. Cofactor of 1 is minus 1. Minus 1. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. So this is equal to 5. Similarly, cofactor of next element is 2. The sign is negative. Negative sign. This row and column is gone. 1 3s are 3 minus 2. 2s are 4. Minus 3 minus 4, minus of minus 7, that's equal to plus 7. And the last element, cofactor of 1 is equal to, it is positive, this row column is gone, 3 3s are 9, minus 9 minus 2. Minus 9 minus 2, that's equal to minus 11. So if you want, you can also represent this as cofactor as A11, this is A12, this is A13. A21, A22, A23. And the last A31, A32, A33, as you wish. So I'll put it in the third column, then this becomes 5, 7 and minus 11. So this is the adjoint. So instead of writing first row, second row, third row, if you put it in the form of a column, you will get straight away the adjoint. Otherwise, put in the first row, second row, third row for cofactor matrix and transpose, you will get the adjoint. Adjoint is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Now, therefore, A inverse is equal to 1 over determinant of A into adjoint of A. 1 over determinant of A. What is determinant of A? Determinant of A is 8. 1 over 8 into adjoint of A is minus 1, 3 and 5. Then minus 3, 1, 7, 7, minus 5 and minus 11. Now just find out the solution. Therefore, the solution X is equal to, A inverse into B. What is X? X, Y, Z is equal to A inverse 1 over 8 into minus 1, 3, 5, minus 3, 1, 7, 7 minus 5, 11, 7 minus 5, minus 11 and the matrix B. What is B? B is equal to, what is B? 3 minus 3, 4. 3 minus 3 and 4. 3 minus 3 and 4. Okay. Now multiply this. This is matrix multiplication. First row, first column. 1 over 8 into 1 3s are 3, minus 3 3s are 9, 5 4s are 20. Second row, same column. 3 3s are 9, minus 9, minus 1 3s are 3, plus 7 4s are 28. 7 3 7 is third row and last column. 7 3s are 21, minus into minus plus, 5 3s are 15, minus into plus minus, 11 4s are 44. So this is 1 over 8 into simplify. So minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12, 20 minus 12 is 8. Okay, again minus 9 minus 3 is minus 12, 28 minus 12 plus 28 minus 12. So that's equal to 16 plus 16. Again, so if subtract 21 plus 15, 21 plus 15 is equal to 36. 36 minus 44. So what is this equal to? 36 minus 44 is equal to 8 minus 8. Now just divide each and every element by 8. So 8 by 8 is 1, 16 by 8 is 2, minus 8 by 8 is minus 1. So therefore, the value of x is 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1. That's it. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2 and z is equal to minus 1 is the required solution. This is how we are going to solve using matrix method. Very important sure question. So this is the solution. Suppose if you want to verify, you can verify using any one of the equations. So no need to do in the examination. Let me check whether it is correct or not. Now for verification, x is 1, y is 2, z is minus 1. So take this equation, first equation itself, 3x plus y plus 2z is equal to 3. Just verify whether you will get LHS and RHS are same. So x is equal to 1 into 3 is 3 plus y is equal to 2. Again z is equal to 1, 2 into 1 is 2 is equal to 3. Minus plus gets cancelled. 3 is equal to 3. That is the correct answer. Therefore, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to minus 3 is the correct answer. That's it. Okay. So x is 1, y is 2, z is equal to minus 1. That's it. Okay, hope you followed. So this is how we are going to solve this problem. Now move on to the next problem. The next problem is from binomial theorem. Find the coefficient of x raised to minus 7 in root x minus 4 by x cube whole to the power of 21. Very simple problem. Just comparing with x plus a to the power of n. X plus a to the power of n means root x minus 4 by x cube to the power of 21. What is n? N is equal to 21. X is equal to root x and a is equal to minus 4 by x cube. What is the nth term? The nth term is tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x raised to n minus r into a to the power of r. Now, just tr plus 1 is equal to n. N is 21. C r x. What is x? Root x to the power of n is 21 minus r into a is minus 4 by x cube whole to the power of r. Right. So this can also be written as 21 cr x to the power of root is nothing but 1 by 2. This is 21 minus r divided by 2, and this can be written as minus 4 to the power of r. Take this to the numerator, it becomes x to the power of minus 3r. So therefore, tr plus 1 can be written as 21 cr minus 4 to the power of r minus 4 to the power of r, and coefficient x terms. What is x? X to the power of 21 minus r by 2, x to the power of 21 minus r by 2 into x to the power of minus 3r. So this is equal to 21 cr minus 4 to the power of r x to the power of, simplified according to law of indices, x raised to m into x raised to n is x raised to m plus n. This can be x to the power of 21 minus r by 2 minus 3r. This is 21 cr minus 4 to the power of r into x to the power of, take LCM, 2 is the LCM, 21 minus r minus 3 to the 6r, 21 minus 7r divided by 2. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Okay. Now, what is to find? Coefficient of x raised to minus 4, for coefficient of x to the power of minus 7, equate this. X raised to minus 7 is equal to x to the power of 21 minus 7r divided by 2. So whenever bases are same, you can equate the power. So therefore 21 minus 7r divided by 2 is equal to minus 7. Simplify this. 21 minus 7r is equal to 7 2s are 14 minus 14. 21 plus 14 is equal to 7r. So 21 plus 14, that is nothing but 35. 35 is equal to 7r. R is equal to 35 divided by 7. That is by 35 by 7. So 5 7s are 35. So therefore R is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. Okay. Now put R is equal to 5. Put R is equal to 5 in equation number 1. So what you will get? T 5 plus 1 6. T6 is equal to 21C5. So 21C5 minus 4 to the power of 5 into x to the power of 21 minus 7 into R is 5. 7 5s are 35 divided by 2. So this is 21C5 minus 4 to the power of 5 into x to the power of 21 minus 35. What is 21 minus 35? That's equal to minus 14. Minus 14 divided by 2. So this is 21C5 minus 1 to the power of 5 into x to the power of minus 14 by 2 is minus 7. So therefore the coefficient of x raised to minus 7 is therefore coefficient of x to the power of minus 7 is 21C5 into minus 4 to the power of 5. That's it. 21C5 into minus 4 to the power of 5 is the simplified answer. So if you want, you can stop here itself or you can simplify this. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Hope you followed. Now move on to the next problem. Resolve into partial fraction. Resolve x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 4 into partial fraction. This is also very important. So in the denominator, repeated linear factor. So let us resolve this. Let x minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 4 can be written as a by first factor x plus 2 plus b by the second factor as x plus 2 whole square plus c divided by the third factor x plus 4. Let us represent this as equation number 1. Now multiply by, if you multiply by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 4, left hand side this denominator gets cancelled, x minus 1 is equal to a into 1 x plus 2 gets cancelled. What is left over is 1 x plus 2 into x plus 4 plus b into, if you multiply by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 4, x plus 2 whole square gets cancelled. We have only x plus 4 plus c into x plus 4 gets cancelled. We have x plus 2 whole square. Let us represent this as equation number 2. Now put x is equal to, first if you put x is equal to minus 2, put x is equal to minus 2. What happens? Minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3 is equal to a into minus 2 plus 2, a becomes 0 plus b into minus 2 plus 4 plus c into minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, c is also 0. So minus 3 is equal to b into 4 minus 2 is 2. So therefore b is equal to minus 3 by 2. So you will get b value as minus 3 by 2. Now similarly put x is equal to minus 4 now. Now put x is equal to minus 4 in equation number 2. So on the left hand side minus 4 minus 1. So minus 4 minus 1. Minus 4 minus 1 is equal to a into, so if you put x is equal to minus 4, this becomes 0, a becomes 0 plus b into, if you put x is equal to minus 4, b is also 0 plus c into, so minus 4 plus 2, minus 4 plus 2 all the square. So this is minus 5 is equal to c into minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2 whole square. So minus 2 whole square is equal to 4. So therefore c is equal to minus 5 by 4. Okay. Now, so b is equal to minus 3 by 2, c is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now, what is to find? Just find out the value of a. For that, put x is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, what you will get? 0 minus 1 is minus 1 is equal to a into 0 plus 2 is 2, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 into 4, 2 into 4 plus b into 0 plus 4 is 4 plus c into 0 plus 2 is 2 whole square is 4. So minus 1 is equal to 4 to the 8a plus 4b plus 4c. So just what is to find is a here minus 1 is equal to 8a plus 4 into what is b? B is minus 3 by 2 plus 4 into c is minus 5 by 4. Minus 4. 4 gets cancelled. 2 2s gets cancelled. So right here minus 1 is equal to 8a minus 2 3s are 6 minus 6 again minus 5. So therefore minus 1 minus 6 minus 5 is minus 11, transfer to the left hand side, it becomes plus 11 is equal to 8a. So therefore 8a is equal to 10, a is equal to 10 by 8, that is nothing but 5 by 4. A is equal to 5 by 4. Okay. Now, therefore, equation 1 becomes, substitute here, equation 1 becomes, so therefore, right, equation 1 becomes, what is equation number 1? X minus 1 divided by x plus 2 whole square into x plus 4 can be written as A. What is A? We got A is equal to 5 by 4 by x plus 2 A plus B. What is B? B is equal to minus 3 by 2 by x plus 2 whole square plus C. What is C? Minus 5 by 4 divided by x plus 4. So, or this can also be written as 5 by 4 into x plus 2 minus 3 by 2 into x plus 2 whole square minus 5 by 4 into x plus 4. This is how we are going to resolve into partial fraction. That's it. Okay. Now, to get the value of a, you can also put x is equal to 0, or you can take the coefficients of x square. What is a? Yes, coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. So if it here coefficient of x square is 0, here if you multiply x into x is x square, a, again coefficient of x square is, you will get c. A plus c is equal to 0, therefore a is equal to minus c, which implies minus of, what is c we got? C is equal to minus 5 by 4. This becomes minus of minus 5 by 4 is also equal to plus 5 by 4. This is another method, easiest method. So, easiest method to find a is just comparing the coefficient of x square. You will get c is equal to 5 by 4, or by just putting the value of x is equal to 0, you will get c is equal to 5 by 4. I think taking the coefficient of x square is easy to get the value of a, right? Anyway, this is how we are going to solve this problem. Now, move on to the next problem. This is very simple and easiest problem from mathematical logic. Verify whether the proposition P conjunction negation Q conjunction negation P disjunction Q is a contradiction or not. We have to verify whether this is a contradiction or not. So, let us write the truth table for this. So, what is given? P conjunction negation Q. Write on P, then Q, then negation of Q. First part, P conjunction negation Q. Next, negation P disjunction Q, right? Then call it as A and this as B. So the conjunction for these two, A conjunction B. A conjunction B. That's it. Now verify whether this is a contradiction or not. Whether if you get all the truth values in the last column as F, 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 then it is called as a contradiction. Now, what are the truth values? As you know, for this, so for P it is true, true, F, F, true, true, false, false. For Q it is true, false, false. Okay. T, F, T, F. Now, negation of Q. Negation of true is false, false is true is false, false is true. Right. Next, P conjunction negation Q. Conjunction for P and negation Q. Conjunction is true and true is true. In all cases, it is false. So, true and false is false. True and true is true. false and false is false, false and true is also false. That is the first part. Second part, negation of P. Negation of P. For true it is false, for true also it is false, for false it is true, for false it is true. Now negation of P, disjunction Q. Negation of P, disjunction Q. Disjunction means false and false is false, in all cases it is true. So F and T is T, F and F is F, that is negation P and Q. So false and true is true, false and false is false, true and true is true, again true and false is also true. This is the second part. Now just these two are connected by the conjunction. So conjunction of these two, conjunction means true and true is true, in all cases it is false. False and true is false, true and false is also false, false and true is also false, false and true is also false. So all the truth values in the last column are F, 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 F. Therefore, this is a contradiction. Okay. So what do you say? So the conclusion is therefore, this is a contradiction. So this is a contradiction. P conjunction negation Q, conjunction negation P, disjunction Q is a contradiction because all the truth values in the last column are F, F, F and F. That's it. So if you solve this much, you will get 5 marks. This is also a shoe type question. Suppose if you get all the truth values as T, 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 then it is called as a tautology. Suppose if you get T, F, T, F like that, then it is neither a tautology nor a contradiction. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Now this is from learning curve, very, very important problem. So what is the problem here? An aircraft manufacturer supplies aircraft engines to different airlines. They have just completed an initial order for 30 engines involving a total of 6,000 direct labor hours at rupees 20 per hour. They have been asked to bid for a prospective contract for a supply of 90 engines. It is expected that there will be 80% learning effect. How much? 80% learning effect. Estimate the labor cost for the new order. Very simple. Here, an aircraft manufacturer supplies aircraft engines to different airlines. They have just completed an initial order. First, what is the initial order? 30 engines involving the total number of hours, 6,000 direct labor hours at rupees 20 per hour. Now, they have been asked to bid prospective contract for a supply of 90 engines. How many engines? 90 engines. It is expected that there will be 80% learning effect. Estimate the labor cost for the new order. Okay. Now, very simple problem. What is the effect here given is 80% of learning effect. 80% of learning effect. Right. So, here how many? One lot is equal to 30 engines. One lot is equal to 30 engines. Now let us put it in a table. So let me construct a table. So first, lot produced, total output in lot, now cumulative average time per lot. Cumulative average time per lot. So this is in terms of hours. Okay. And the last one is total hours. That's it. So what is one lot? One lot is equal to 30 engines. One lot is equal to 30 engines. And what is given? So as cost is rupees 20 per hour. Cost is equal to rupees 20 per hour. So we have to calculate for they have been asked to bid for a prospective contract for a supply of 90 engines. So how many engines? 90 engines. The learning effect is 80%. Okay, very simple. Now this can be written as, so lot produced is 1, 1 and 2. Total output in lot is, so this is 1, 2 and 4. So initially they have just completed an initial order of 30 engines involving 6,000 hours, 6,000 hours. Right, now 80% of 6,000, 80% of 6,000 is equal to 4,800. Again, 80% of 4,800, that's equal to 3,840. 3,840. So lot produced is 1, 2 and 1, 1 and 2. So the total output in the lot is 1, 2 and 2 2s are 4. So initially it will have 600 hours. So 600 hours, 80% of 600 is 4,800. Again 80% of 4,800 is 3,840. That is cumulative average time per lot. Now what is the total? Now very simple, just multiply this. 1 into 6,000 is 6,000. Again 4,800 into 2. 48 into 2. 48 into 2 is 96. 9,600 hours. And last 3,840 into 4. 3,840 into 4. 15,360. 15,360. Okay. So 1 into 6,000 is 6,000. 2 into 4,800 is 9,600. 4 into 3,840 is 13,360. So therefore, the total number of hours required to manufacture 4 lots is how many hours? So 15,360 hours are required to manufacture the 4 lots. Right. Now, so here the total time required to manufacture 4 lots is that 15,360. Therefore, 15,360 hours required for 4 lots. So therefore for 3 lots it is 15,360 minus initial it is 6,000. So this is equal to, subtract this. What is this equal to? 9,360. 9,360 hours. So calculate the total labor cost. So therefore the total labor cost for 9,360 at rupees 20 is 9,360 into 20. That's it. So total labor cost is equal to total labor cost is equal to 9,362 into 20. That's equal to, what is this equal to? 1,87,000, 1,87,200. That's it. So therefore, the total labor cost at rupees 20 is equal to, at rupees 20 the total labor cost is equal to 1,87,200. 1,87,200. This is how we are going to simplify this problem. Okay. The total answer is rupees 1,87,200. Okay. So hope you followed. This is how we are going to solve this learning curve problem. Very simple and most expected question. Now on to the next problem, that is from LPP. Solve the following linear programming problem graphically. Maximize z is equal to 6x plus 8y subjected to constraints 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 20, 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 24x and y is greater than or equal to 0. Now, what is given? Just let us convert the inequalities into equalities. What is the objective function? Max z is equal to 6x plus 8y subjected to the constraints. What are the constraints? 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 20, 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 24, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Now let us convert the inequalities into equalities. Now 4x plus 2y, 4x plus 2y is equal to 21 equation. Another equation, 2x plus 5y, 2x plus 5y is equal to 24. Right. Now solve this. We put x is equal to 0, we will get 2y is equal to 20, y is equal to 20 by 2, that's equal to 10. So therefore A, first point 0 comma 10. We put y is equal to 0, we will get 4x is equal to 20, x is equal to 20 by 4. That is nothing but 20 by 4 means 5. So x is equal to 5. So therefore the point B is equal to 5 comma 0. Right. Now another equation, put x is equal to 0, 5y is equal to 24, y is equal to 24 by 5. The point C is equal to 0 comma 24 by 5. Okay. So this is approximately equal to 0 comma 4.8. Now if you put y is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 24, x is equal to 24 by 2 means 12. So x is equal to 12. So therefore the other point D is equal to 12 comma 0. This is 12. 12 comma 0. Okay. X-axis, y-axis 0. Let us take a suitable scale. So scale on x-axis and y-axis, 1 unit is equal to 1 centimeter, 1 unit. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Maximum how much we have? 12. 12 on the y-axis. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now move on to the first point. What is the first point? A, 0 comma 10. X is 0, y is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is A, 0 comma 10. Second point B, 5 comma 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 comma 0. 5 comma 0. Now just draw a line, straight line. So what is the condition given? First curve, 4x plus 2y is less than or equal to 20. This is 4x plus 2y less than or equal to 20. So if you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, 0 is less than or equal to 20, which is true. Therefore, the feasible region is towards the origin. So if it is less than or equal to means the feasible region is towards the origin. Now for the second curve, C, 0 comma 4.8. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 4.8. 1, 2, 3, 4, somewhere you will get C, 0 comma 4.8. Next, what is B? B, 12 comma 0. X is equal to 12. X is equal to 12. So let us call this as 12. X is equal to 12 and y is equal to 0. So we will get a straight line. This is D, 12 comma 0. Okay. Now what is given? The second curve is also less than or equal to 24. 2x plus 5y, 2x, this is 2x plus 5y is less than or equal to 24. So the feasible region is towards the origin. So therefore this is the feasible region. This is the feasible region and this is the point of contact E. Now what is E from this? So this is E. So exactly if you draw this on a graph, you are going to get as x as, so 1, 2, 3, that is around 3 point something, that is 3.2. Here also it is 1, 2, 3, it is also around 3 to 4, in between 3 and 4, that is 3.5. 3.5. So therefore find out the corner points. What are the corner points? These are the corner points. O, C, E and B. Therefore the corner points are O, 0 comma 0, then C, what is C? 0 comma 4.8 and E is 3.2 comma 3.5 and B is equal to 5 comma 0. These are the corner points. Okay. Now what is to find? Now just write here. So corner points and objective function, that is z is equal to 6x plus 8y. Let me write. At first point, let us take what is the first point? We have 0 comma 0, we don't want b, 5 comma 0. At 5 comma 0, this z is equal to 5 6 are 30 plus 0, that's equal to 30. Okay. Next, at another point, that is C, 0 comma 4.8. 0 comma 4.8. 6 into 0 is 0 plus 8 into 4.8. That's equal to 38.4. 38.4. Next, the last point, 3.2 comma 3.5. At 3.2 comma 3.5. So 6 into 3.2 plus 8 into 3.5. What is this equal to? This is equal to, if you simplify, this is equal to 47.2. 47.2. Right. What is to find the maximum value? Which is the maximum value in this 38.4 and 47.2. So this is the maximum value. Right. So this is maximum. So therefore Z maximum is equal to 47.2. 47.2 at, what are the points? At 3.2 comma 3.2 comma 3.5. That's it. This is the maximum. So Z maximum is equal to 47.5 at 3.2 comma 3.5. This is how we are going to solve this problem. So very sure question. So learning curve and linear programming problem and mathematical logic, construction of truth table is very important and sure questions for the point of examination. So these are few questions related to part D. Let me discuss the remaining problems in the next session. That's all regarding today's session. Let us discuss the remaining problem in the next session. Thank you very much.